Look at this. $6.6 million in my Phantom wallet, all from launching meme coins. Not by trading, not by guessing, just by using a formula that prints. Let's dive into it. I will be ungatekeeping the method. A couple months ago, trading meme coins was my specialty, but I completely stopped for a brand new method, and that's by deving coins. Why did I switch? Well, I used to jump into coins hoping for that perfect entry, and every single time I bought in, I got completely dumped on. I'm pretty sure this happened to most of you guys where you bought in and you lost money. Now, that's exactly when I realized the real money is not in trading, it's action creating. And that's exactly how most people are becoming millionaires in 2025. It's by creating their own meme coins. Because when you launch your own coin, you control everything, which means if people buy here, 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 and here, you cash out and you take all the profits. You cannot lose anything because it's yours. It's your token. And creation is completely free. And right now, bro, if you guys did not know, Solana is going back up and Bitcoin too. The volume is coming back too. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys exactly how to create your very first Solana meme coin on the blockchain and then turn nothing into backflips. Make sure you keep watching. Now before we get to it, I want to be 100% clear that this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so everything is made with ChatGPT. Cap! Now, I know you might be thinking, do I just go to Pump.fun to launch a meme coin? Well, there's actually a problem with this platform. Pump.fun is overloaded, which means it's oversaturated. Thousands of coins are dropping daily and thousands are live streaming daily. Most of these coins will not get any visibility and they will not make it out. On top of that, when you launch a meme coin here, you do not control your own liquidity, which means you cannot even touch your profits. That's fucking bad, and I'm pretty sure you guys want to make money, not lose money. And that's exactly why I switched to create token.Learn, because on this launchpad, bro, it's completely different. All your coins launches directly onto Radium, which means they will all graduate instantly and they will all be viewed to tens and thousands of people on the Radium DEX, and you are skipping 100% the whole bonding curve progress and you are going directly to the Radium DEX. You stay in control of your own liquidity. There's no bonding curves, no delay. It's the fucking launchpad for you. Now here's how it works on creating a meme coin on this platform. You have two different ways to make a meme coin and it's up to you to choose one. Now the first method is to create from scratch. So obviously go on X because you have to find a good narrative for your meme coin and look for something juicy. It could be something viral, some type of meme, news, anything like this. Breaking news, okay, the government shutdown is gonna be ending soon. That's a good narrative, right? What else could be good? Not this. No. Okay, now you get the gist. Once you have a good narrative and a good meme, come back to create token.io, invent a quick name for your meme coin, for example, create a symbol and then take a screenshot or make a meme coin logo for the image, and just like that, bro, your coin is custom created after these steps. But trust me, bro, the second method is 10 times more profitable and it's my favorite shortcut, and that's the copy trending coins tab right here. Now these are all already hot on Pump.fun, every single coin here. Now when you copy them to Radium, you get instant buyers and faster profits from the fucking start since the traffic's already built in. That's the beauty of it. Now all these coins are already proven to go viral, and that's why copying coins is a fucking cheat code. Okay, let's stop talking and actually launch a coin right now, live on video. I'm showing you step by step exactly how it's done. So first of all, make sure your Phantom White is connected to the website, then click on the refresh list button and let's look for a coin to copy. I could go for the Timmy coin. Which one? You know what, bro? I'm just going to choose one. So I'm going to copy the Incognito coin. It has a last buy 5 seconds ago and a $22.5 thousand market cap. So click on create coin and then ignore the warning from Phantom. It's normal. Click on proceed anyways, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created shortly. Let's see what happens. Boom! If I go on SoScan, we guys can see that it's on the Solana blockchain, it's all legit, everything works. But anyways, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this part's easy. We're adding liquidity so the token goes live on Radium and people can actually start trading it instantly. This page is what Pump.fun doesn't give you guys the option to create, because now we are in control of our liquidity. Now there's two steps. For the token A, just tap the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the pool. You are keeping 100 million tokens to yourself. Right under for the amount token B, think of this as your first buy into your own token. You are not losing that Solana. It's just locked in to fuel your market. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you pull out the liquidity later, that same Solana goes right back into your wallet, and that's exactly why we have nothing to lose, because it cost literally $0. I'm going to put 0.35 SOL as a first buy, just a bit more to be safe. Make sure you have enough in your Phantom wallet, and then click on create pool. Then just wait a couple seconds and then click on confirm. When that is done, just click on the refresh button right here, scroll down, and boom, the in-call coin is on live. Our profits are at $0 USD though. Now if you click on the refresh button to check your official profits in real time, now we're up $170, which means people are now buying our coin on the fucking Radium Dex, and it means that our coin is actually good and it attracts buyers. So click on view on Photon to see the chart, or you can go on Axiom by copy pasting the token address. It's all up to you. I'm going to go on Photon. Go on full screen right after. It has to load in. Come on, bro, come on, let's see. And now the token is live. Let's go. Come on, pump. We're officially at a 1.5k market cap. Things are looking good. The transactions are a bit slow though. I hope it goes faster in a couple minutes. Now once again, bro, I love diving meme coins. Why? Because we have nothing to lose. You are creating this coin for completely free, and look at all this traffic. Even though it's not that much, it's still traffic coming organically from MemeScope. Now there's traders every single second just scanning MemeScope, and they're all looking for coins. You just have to launch coins over and over again and potentially print. Now okay, the coin is dumping, but trust me, bro, it is going to, yes, I told you guys, it is going to do a comeback. Let's fucking go. This is what we're looking for. Come on. Okay. Oh my god, come on, pump. Now the chart might look a bit weird, but after a couple minutes, it is going to, like, you know, look more natural. Come on, bro, pump. Yo, why is there nothing pumping, bro? Oh my god, bro, why is it doing that to us, bro? Come on now. Come on, let's go. 50, 11, come on, more money, come on, $23 for, oh my god, bro, it's pumping, what the fuck, bro, I'm going to dump the coin right now, fuck it, come on. Okay guys, I'm going to give this coin more time for it to pump. I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back. We're at the 3.2k market cap. The liquidity is kind of looking great. The volume is good. We're getting a lot of transactions at the moment. Now I could wait longer for more buyers, but we are going to make some money right now. So come back to create tokens.io real quick. Then click on the refresh button for like a third time or some shit. And now as you guys can see, I am up $1.62,000 in PNL with a 3.2k market cap. That's not bad. Click on the minus button, do 100%. If you want to, click on the fucking red button to remove the money. Hello? And now as you guys can see, I am up 9.12 SOL, which is not too shabby. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make generational wealth. If I open my Phantom wallet for proof, because some of you guys don't believe me, boom, $1.54,000 went straight inside my Phantom wallet, bro, and it's legit. Look, you guys gotta tap in. And by the way, bro, before you leave, if you want to win 3 SOL like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and join my free Telegram group down below. Good luck.